Alright, today this particular video is about how to add media inside of PowerPoint. This is one of the most frequently asked questions that I get. So what we're going to do is I'm going to go ahead and open up a PowerPoint file so you can see what that looks like. I'm just going to put a little bit of text up here right quick. I'm going to add a design just to give us something visually pleasing. Keep it rather basic. And I'm going to go ahead and add a new slide so that we can have something that we're working from. In this particular case, I'm going to try to add in a career video, which is kind of challenging. Hopefully I can find some type of content or multimedia content that represents what I'm looking for. So the first thing I've done here is I've labeled this slide. The next thing I'm going to do is I will open up Google so that I have the opportunity to find a video, preferably in YouTube, and you can search a couple of other channels in order to add that information in. So you do have to find whichever video you want, and basically it can be anything. I'll put in career advice, so that'll be helpful. And in this particular case, most of the time I'm looking for something that is high quality content. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this one that's called Career Advice When I Grow Up. So I'll click that. And in order for you to add this into your PowerPoint presentation, you do have to capture the link. So in this case, I'm going to click the share button. And when I hovered over it, it said share or embed this video. Even though you see this link, don't click it. That is not the one that you can use inside of PowerPoint. You have to select the one that says embed. And once that's clicked, you will move down the screen. And believe it or not, you can't use this particular code. So what I'm going to do is uncheck show suggested videos when the video finishes. Instead, I'm going to select use old embed code. And I'm going to need to select this particular code and copy it. So I'm going to select it. I'm going to right click it. I'll select copy. At this particular point, you'll notice that at the bottom I just went with the defaults, but there are other sizes that are down here. And I'm now going to go back into PowerPoint, which is down here in this area, which is on the taskbar. So this area is the taskbar. So I'm going to click presentation. And to add this video inside of this presentation, what I'm going to do is look for the Insert tab. So I'm going to click the Insert tab, and I'm going to go directly to the Media group. And it's here that I see that there is a video command, and I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow. Because this video is from a website, I'm going to select Video from Website. In this box, we're now going to take the embedded code, the old embed code. We're going to right click and we're going to paste so that that information is in here. And the last step is to click Insert. And we'll wait for PowerPoint to finish doing what it's doing, and you'll see that in this case the activity area is moving around. And once it's done, you'll notice that I have a black box which is representative of the video. Due to this particular size, one of the things that I want to show you is I'm going to go ahead and put this in slideshow mode so that I can see what this looks like. So down here I'm going to click slideshow. And by doing so, I wait, and now I can see that that video showed up here. And this is the size that it has. I'm going to press the escape key. because I'm really interested in trying to see if this version will allow me to enlarge the video. And in this instant, I'm going to put this right here, and I'm going to just drag it to make it a little larger. And you can do this any way you want. You may not desire to do what I'm doing. And once I get the size that I'm looking for, I'm content. And these particular steps that I'm using are designed for PowerPoint 2010. I believe 2007 may be a little bit different. So in this case, I'm going to go back and I'm going to look at my slideshow again to see if the size represents what I was looking for. Here you have it. And to test the video, I'm going to click play.
I don't care if you're 20 or you're...
So there you have it. You can see that that does work. That wraps this session for how to add a video inside of PowerPoint from YouTube.